An excellent morning, viewers. How are you? After a long break, we are seeing, isn't it? You enjoyed your holidays? Yes, isn't it? Fine. We are going to continue from the previous class, isn't it? What we studied before? We studied about rupees, conversion of rupees to pies, and pies to rupees, isn't it? So today we are going to see addition of money. Okay, we are going to see addition of money. Here, for an instant, I say I'm going to buy a calculator. Okay, you want to buy a calculator, a powder, and a pen. Okay, these things I'm going to buy. If I take this and give it to the shopkeeper, what the shopkeeper will do? He will add this, isn't it? 700 plus 50, 750 plus 20 rupees, 770 rupees. So he will ask me 770 rupees. I have to give him 770 rupees, isn't it? Fine. So what happened there? It is addition. Very good. So now we are going to see addition of money. Yes. So here, can you read this? Rahul goes to a shop and buys 3 toys. One toy cost rupees 15 rupees 75 pies. So a dot is given. After that, the number written is pies. Okay. Teddy bear cost rupees 25. And the train cost rupees 125 rupees 40 pies. Okay. What is the total amount he paid? So the word total means what? You know that, isn't it? The total means it is addition. So now we are going to add, isn't it? So what you will do? You will write the rupees amount in the rupees column and pies in the pies column. How will you do it? Now I'll write the rupees first. So it is what? 15. So I write 15 rupees 75 pies. Fine. Next, 25 rupees. There is no pies, so put 0. Okay. Then the train toy cost what? 125. So 1, 2, 5. Pies is 40 pies. Yes, fine. Now we are going to add. We are going to add. So if you add, what do you get? 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 4 is what? 11, isn't it? So instead of writing 11, I will do one thing, right? First I will write it separately. 75 plus 40. So this will become 5 and 11. You know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. Isn't it right? So this 115 pies can be made as 100 plus 15. Am I right? Yes. So this 100 pies will become 1 rupee and 15 pies. Is it clear? Yes. So this 1 rupee, it will go on carry over on the top. Yes. So this will become what? 15 pies alone. Is it clear how we are making this pies 2 rupees? Yes. So this 1 rupee is here now. That is 100 pies will make it. We will make it as 1 rupee and put it on the next column. Right. So this will become what? 1 plus 5 is 6. Isn't it? Then 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 5 is 16. So this will become 16 carry over 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And you can write it the one as such. So rupees 166, put the dot, 15 pies. How will you read? Rupees 166 and 15 pies. Yes. So the dot after is all pies. The before are rupees. Is it clear? So how to add this? Once again I repeat. First you write the rupees and pies in the separate column, and then you have to add the pies. So if you add the pies, you'll get, if you get 115 means you separate it. 100 makes 1 rupee, isn't it? So 100 plus 15. So this will become what? This will become rupees, isn't it? So 100 pies becomes 1. 200 means rupees 2. 300 means what? Rupees 3. So 300 pies means rupees 3. Is it clear? Yes? Fine. So 100 pies means 1 rupee. That 1 rupee you put it in the rupee column and then add. So you get 166 rupees 15 pies. I hope you can understand this. Fine. Now we are going to see subtraction of money. So subtraction I have taught you before, okay, isn't it? In addition and subtraction we have studied that before. Here the word what is given? Difference. So we'll read the sum first and we'll go on, right? So the cost of a cricket bat is rupees 133 rupees 50 pies. The cost of a basketball is rupees 178. What is the difference in their cost? They are asking what is the difference between the basketball and the cricket bat? They are asking. So what we have to do, the word difference makes us to subtract, isn't it? So what we'll do it, we have to do the same pattern. First you write the rupees this side and pies this side. Okay, then you can write that is, what is the bigger amount? It is 178, right? So 178. And the pies does not have any pies. And here you have 133 and you have pies. 50 pies. Okay, then we are going to subtract. So what do you get? See here you don't have any pies, but here you have 50 pies. Isn't so? So you are going to borrow from here to here. Right? Here it is rupees, here it is pies. So you can't simply put 1. It is what you have to write as 1 rupee you are going to borrow. Just listen carefully. 1 rupee you are going to borrow. If you change it into pies, what will happen? 100 pies. Yes? I hope you can understand. You are going to take 1 rupee from here. Okay. So that 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies. So now we are going to, this will become what? If 178 I take 1 rupee means it will become before number 177. Yes? Is it clear? Fine. Now what I am going to do is, I had made here as 100 pies. Is it clear? So what will happen? 100 minus 50 is what? 50. 100 minus 50 is 50. So I can write 50 here. Right? Here 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 44 rupees. 44 is 50 pies. Yes? Now again I repeat. Okay. Here there is no pies. So we are going to borrow from here. But here it is all rupees. So we have to, here conversion is going on. What we have to do? Rupees 1 is equal to 100 pies. Yes. So 100 minus 50 is 50. So 50 pies we have taken. So we have taken 1 rupee. So we make the before number 177. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. So answer is rupees 44 rupees 50 pies. Is it clear? Fine. So with this we are going to do exercise sums. So you can take exercise 5.3. Add the following. How to do addition. Right? How to add? We have seen before, isn't it? You can come along with me. How I say you can do it. Right? So first you make it rupees and pies. Okay. Then you can write the amount. Leave enough space and you can write. Okay, so 476 and 50 pies. Okay, then 383 and 44 pies. Is it clear? Fine. Next step, what do you have to do? You can add. Okay, what will happen? What will happen? You know that how to do it, isn't it? I have already said it, right? What to do? 50 plus 44. First you do add and see what's coming. 4 and it is 5 plus 4 is 9. So here it does not exceed more than 100. So you can write it in the pies itself, 94. So there is no conversion at all, right? Here 6 plus 3, 9. 7 plus 8, 15. Carry over 1. Next 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Yes? So answer is rupees 859 94 pies or rupees 859.94. You can pronounce like that also. Rupees 859.94. Right? So it is understood that after point it is pies. Yes? Or else you can say like this. Rupees 859.94 pies. Yes? Fine. Now we are going to do this sum. How to do it? So same model you are going to do it. So rupees and pies. Okay, so how? 975. Here 876, 25 pies. Yes. So what we are going to do? I'll explain you now. 75 plus 25 is 100. Okay. Yes. 5 plus 5 is 0. Carry over 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So it is 100. 100 is what I have said. 1 rupee is equal to 100 pies, right? So 75 plus 25 is 100. So I make this as what? 1 rupee. Rupee 1. Okay. So this 1 rupee, I take it and put it here. Is it clear there? So I become 1. Yes. So this will become what? 0, 0. So there is no pies. Is it clear? Fine. So this will become what? 1 plus 6 is 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. So again I repeat, when you add with the 0, the number is the same. Okay. Somebody in the test they are writing as 0. So don't do that mistake. 0 plus 7 is 7. Okay. Then 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay. So 1777 rupees. No pies. So you can write like this. Rupees 1777. Is it clear? Once again I repeat. When you add 75 plus 25, you get 100 pies. That 100 pies will become 1 rupee, and the 1 rupee I make it in the rupee column. 1 plus 6 is 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. 9 plus 8 is 17. So you can write it as such. Is it clear? So after this, you can complete all the exercise sums in the book itself. You have enough space, right? I hope you can see. So you have enough space here given. So you can do that addition here itself, right? And take a snapshot and send to me, right? Now we are going to see second division, subtract the following. So subtract the following, what is going on here? Same pattern. What we did before as an example, we are going to do. Now I'll explain you. So the rupees column, you write rupees and the pies. Okay. So what will happen? 765.75. Pies is 75, right? And 432 rupees and pies is 80 pies. Fine. Now we are going to subtract this. Here you have to listen carefully. Here it is 75 pies and here it is 80 pies. So which is bigger? Yes, 80 is bigger, isn't it? So what you have to do? You have to borrow from here and make this as a bigger number. So if I take 1 rupee and give it to the pies, what will happen here? I'm going to take only 1 rupee. Okay, I take 1 rupee. Now I'm going to take. So 765. If I take 1 rupee, what will happen? Before number, you have to say. 764. Very good. Isn't it? 65 before is what? 64. So this will become what? 4. Yes? Good. Next, what I am going to do is, I have already taken 1 rupee. That 1 rupee will become 100 pies. So what is that? 100 plus 75. That is equal to 175. 175. So that 175, you take it, and now you can subtract 80. Now this number has become bigger, isn't it? This is 75, now it is 175. Good? Fine. So if you subtract, you can subtract. 5 minus 0, 5. And this will not go, this will become 17. So 17, in the mind, take 8 fingers. Okay, 17 before. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. So 9. So how many pies it is? 95 pies. Good. Once again I repeat before we go to the next step. See here it is 75 pies and here 80 pies. So this is bigger but this is smaller. So from the smaller we can't subtract. So what you are going to do is you are going to take 1 rupee from here. Is it clear? Fine. So 1 rupee, if you are taking 1 rupee, when it comes to pies, it will become 100 pies. So 100 plus 75 is 175. So now you can subtract 175 from 80. So 175 minus 80 is 95. Okay, fine. So that when you put, what will happen? You can write 95 as a pies. And here you have to subtract. So here 4 minus 2 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. 7 minus 4 is 3. So answer is rupees 332.95 or 332 rupees 95 pies. Yes? Fine. I hope you can understand this. Okay. Next, again I am going to do it. Here, see, E-sum I am going to do for you. Same thing, you separate rupees and pies. Okay, what will happen? 900 is given but no pies. If there is no pies is given, you have to put what? 2 zeros. There is no pies, no ma'am, we don't want to put anything. Don't ask like that because you want to subtract. So you have to put 0. Understand? Okay, fine. Next, 560 and 50 pies. Is it okay? Fine? Good. Now we are going to subtract. What will happen? So here it's 0, isn't it? So I can borrow from here. So 900, what is the before number of 900? What is the before number of 900? 899. Yes? Good. So I take 1 rupee from 900 means that my 900 minus 1 is 899. That you can directly write it here. 899. And I put this 1 rupee here and the 1 rupee is 100 pies. Yes? Clear? Good. So now what I am going to do is take this 100 minus 50 is 50. 100 minus 50 is 50. Now 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 8 minus 5 is 3. Is it clear, dear? So what I once again I repeat, here it is only 900 is given and no pies. The no pies place you put as 2 zeros, right? Fine. Then you have to see that here 50 pies is given. So you can't subtract. So what you have to do is you have to borrow from here. So if I take 1 rupee from 900, it will become 899. Is that clear? So now 100 minus 50 is 50. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3 and 8 minus 5 is 3. So you can write it as rupees 339.50 or 339 rupees 50 pies. Okay, fine. Now, I hope you can understand this very well. You can complete others. This is the homework for you. That is, you can complete the exercise 5.3. I have did some sums. Rest of the sums you can do it. That is, I have did for you. I have did for A and C sum for you. So you can do B and D and E. Okay, you can do it in the book itself. Next subtraction, I have did for you A and C. A and C, yes. Sorry, A and E. Subtraction E sum I have did. Okay, so the rest of the sums you can do it as homework, right? Fine. Now we are going to see the worksheet 1. Same thing what we have already did. We have did in the exercise. I just have a small recap so that you can continue and complete. Okay. So you take your own time and complete. Okay, baby. So what we are going to do is write it in the short form. What will you do? 45 rupees 50 pies, isn't it? So that what will you do? Rupees you put 45.50. So rest of the same model you have to write. So there is no, only pies is given means what will you do? You have to put 0 point and 90. Okay, rupees, put the symbol rupees. Okay, fine. Like that you can complete other things. Write in words means how will you write? 11 rupees 50 pies. 11 rupees 50 pies means how will you write? ELEVEN, 11 rupees and 50 FIFTY 50 pies. That you have to complete it. How we did in the exercise before, isn't it? Same exercise you can complete here. Right? Write it in words. This is. Next, write the amount in figures means how will you do? 300 rupees means rupees 300. That's all. Yes? Same. 50. Next, 55 rupees 4 pies. 55 rupees 4 pies means how will you write? Rupees 55. 4 pies, very small number, isn't it? So the single digit number means you have to put 1 0 and then write 4. Is it clear? So rest of the sums you can do. So till worksheet 1 you complete and keep. Okay, it will take only 10 to 15 minutes to complete this. So do it, and if you have any doubts you can call me personally. Shall we wind up? Thank you, dears.